Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying the shortest, straight run to the outside. This reduces noise and improves flow. Turn the breaker off so you can work safely, then mark the whole center line between studs and measure for a 4 or 6 port. Cut the opening and remove any insulation or framing obstruction. Use rigid metal duct for performance. Flexible duct compromises flow and traps grease. That's why you pick rigid, not flexible. Once the hole is ready, clear debris and prep the wall or roof for the duct sleeve. You feed the rigid duct through the hole, aiming for a straight line. Every bend costs performance, so use a 90 degrees elbow only if you must. Secure each joint with a clamp and a screw, then wrap with metal foil tape and high-temp mastic to prevent leaks. Support the duct every 4-6 ft with straps that won't compress it. Make sure the hood adapter fits snugly. If needed, trim a flange or use a transition piece. Once fastened, you'll notice the system already feels more rigid and quiet. You mount the exterior hood cap with a backdraft damper and bird screen. This keeps pests out and prevents cold air infiltration. Flash the cap with metal flashing and seal all gaps with exterior-grade sealant so water won't enter. Restore power and run the hood through all speeds. Check for strong suction and for any rattles or air leaks. If airflow is weak, inspect for crushed duct, excess bends, or a stuck damper. Correcting those issues usually restores full performance. Start there if something goes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.